first and foremost, again, don't forget to like and follow the social media channels of SM Olongapo Central, yung kanina, sa Facebook, sa TikTok, and sa Instagram. And opening our event with a wonderful performance, this cover group is the up-and-coming pride of Olongapo City. Parang feeling ko ng pride na to ng Olongapo City because they represented SM City Olongapo downtown and won a second runner-up at the regional competition of Super Kids K-pop group dance contest last year, 2024. They are not just about kids with pretty faces, they are a whirlwind of talented kids that are full of energy, graceful and jaw-dropping moves. Brace yourselves as we present you the mini version of the most well-known girl group of today's generation that will turn the stage ablaze. Palapakan po natin na may kasamang sigawan ang Bini Mini!